Hi everyone, it's Angelica from St. Augustine School of Nursing, and today I'm going to demonstrate and show you what is the proper way of holding, lifting, and burping a baby. Let's begin! So before lifting and holding the baby, make sure to do the proper hand hygiene. Clean hands with alcohol-based hand rub or soap and water. So for this demonstration, we will be using an alcohol-based hand rub. Okay, so for today's demonstration, I'm going to use this doll because we don't have a baby at home. So let's start. So first, let's do the cradle hold. Make sure that you provide support on your neck, back, and head, also at the bottom. Next is the lap hold. Sit in a chair with your feet firmly on the ground and place your baby in your lap. Their head should be at your knees face up. Baby's feet should be tucked in at your waist. Next is the hip hold. Face your baby outward and make her sit on your hip bones. You should wrap your arm around her waist and baby will be able to look around comfortably. Now it's time for the burping techniques. Shoulder hold. Make sure that you are using a burping cloth to manage the mess. Sit upright or stand and hold your baby against your chest. Your baby's change should rest against your shoulder and gently tap or rub the back to help him burp. Face down on your lap. Hold your baby sitting up in your lap or across your knee. Support the baby's chest and head with one hand by cradling baby's chin in the palm of your hand. Gently tap the back or rub to help him burp. Sitting up. Gently assist the baby to be in a sitting position. Support the neck and the back and gently tap the back or rub to help him burp. And that's all for our lifting, holding, and burping a baby. Thank you for watching!